Yeah, are you guys hear me? You guys are watching Learn What Matters. So in this YouTube channel, my main target is to sharing those content which actually matters in terms of data structures algorithm, in terms of system design, in terms of AIML, prompt engineering, Gen AI development, right? My target is only to share those topics which are really important in terms of interview, in terms of actually you have to have in your head while sitting for any upcoming interview, right? So let's start with the data structure and algorithm. So today I am just uploading the video for arrays, right? See what are the topics are important in array, right? While you're solving the problems, you have to cover these 5 patterns what I'm ready to share, and once you complete that things, you are ready to solve any kind of arrays question, right? But one disclaimer that at least you have to solve 35 to 40 problems. Okay, so the first pattern is two pointer, the second pattern is sliding window, the third is sorting, the fourth is merge intervals, and the fifth is prefix sum. Oh wow, there's only 5. Yeah, exactly. 5 patterns around. If you solve 6, 7, or 10 questions for each topic, sorry, each patterns, you are able to solve any kind of other patterns, other questions, right? Any other questions of in array, right? So now if you guys want me to upload how to recognize the patterns, what are actually, like, how the patterns are actually implemented in the questions, how it is hidden in the questions, how to recognize that things, if you want that, just comment to me. I will upload the next video for that. Till now, thank you so much for listening me.